I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Let's face it, if you're a student, you're probably going to have to deal with math at some point. Brian Norton, the manager of our Clinical Assistive Technology program, is going to talk about an app called ModMath today that helps you kind of organize the layout and the presentation of math. So let's see what Brian has.
My name is Brian Norton, and I'm going to talk about a math app that was recently introduced to me a few months ago, and it's called MathMod. And what it does is it allows folks to organize math problems in columns and rows to help folks who may have some tracking issues be able to write out math problems and then port them to maybe a different program. And so maybe if you're trying to complete a worksheet or something like that, this has some potential to be able to help you kind of organize math problems, put math equations into columns and rows like they should be, and go from there. So we're going to take a look at my iPad here and take a look at that app. Okay, so the program is called ModMath, and it's down here in the lower right hand corner of my screen. It's got a little square root of M symbol on it. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and the first thing you're going to see are rows and basically a grid on your screen. And what's neat about it is, again, if you're trying to put math problems or write out math equations and keep them into columns and rows, if that's a challenge for you, maybe some folks that may have dysgraphia or issues with writing where they kind of have difficulty putting those things organized on a piece of paper, this program can help you with that. And so essentially what happens is if I click into a column or a row or just a cell, I can put a number in there. And then if I come down below, and I can come down here and I can say times, and then I can put my other number here, 5. It puts a line under there automatically for me. And then I can come down here and I can solve it. And again, it's ordering things in rows and columns, which is extremely helpful for folks. You can notice on the actual on-screen keyboard that comes up, there's several different options. So you can do some basic math with division, multiplication, adding and subtracting, but you've also got a couple of other features there where you can do some fractions, maybe square roots and other kinds of things. So it's a pretty useful tool, especially if you have difficulty keeping things organized in rows and columns when you do math.
So no matter what kind of disability you're dealing with, it's always good to have your math better organized, because if it's not lined up and doesn't make sense, then it's not right. So that's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.